So no brainstorming session is complete unless there is some action coming out of the brainstorming session. It is not just enough for you to collect ideas, but it is important that you actually act on those ideas. You actually go ahead and implement those ideas. Now this is where it becomes very, very important that you identify owners for each one of these ideas and action items which each one of these owners will actually go ahead and do. It is important to have these responsibilities delegated to them in that meeting and ensure that you follow it up with you personally following up on each one of those action items so that whatever was decided actually takes place. It is only when these ideas are actually followed by actions and change on the ground that people will actually come out with their best ideas, because they need to see that their ideas are actually getting implemented in order for them to bring forward their best ideas. So whatever you do, implement those ideas, and even if you don't implement the ideas, go back and tell the people who are part of the brainstorming session that this is what was the result and this is what we are going to do, or this is the reason why we can't do, and this is what is going to be the next step. Keep them informed so that they know that the time that they spent with you on the brainstorming session is not a total waste, and that you value their time and their ideas and their creativity.